What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Tinkering Joe. Today we're working on the C4 Corvette and we're going to install muffler eliminators or muffler delete kit. So let's take a look and see what we got going on. So underneath the car you can see got some ugly mufflers, ugly spare tire carrier, and you can also see where I've already kind of marked where we're going to cut. Now this line here is where I think it should be cut. The other two are just going to be my first cut, so I don't cut too much, just to kind of fit everything up. And I've done that to both sides. So let's go ahead and get started. Let me show you what we got going on here. All right, so I bought the kits from Corvette Central. Basically, the kit comes with what you see here, and it gives you two clamps to clamp it all together. So this is the driver's side. It comes with the hanger. Just cut it to fit, put it on, put your hanger in, put your clamp on, and see what we get. And stay tuned towards the end of the video. I'll have, like, I guess the before and after, how it sounded before, how it sounded after, and see what happens. And please be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Click the notification bell, and let's get started. All right, we're gonna start with the passenger side first. Well, I was going to take this out anyway, so let's just go ahead and remove it. All right, now that we got the spare tire out the way, finish cutting this off here. Well, it's clearly better to use a Sawzall. So let me go find that, and I'll be back. All right, so I went and found my Sawzall. As you can see, I got it sitting in there right now. So we're gonna spin around and do the other side, and then we'll put the clamps on and kind of line the tips up and see what happens. All right, so everything's on there now. So really all left to do is put the clamps on there and try to level everything up. So I'm gonna use a block and a jack stand, try to hopefully get some things leveled up. Before we put the clamps on. So I'm gonna snug this clamp up a little bit. See if it helps me hold it at all, about how I want it. Well, you can see that one. I'm actually happy with that one right there. It looks pretty good. So now let's try to do the other one. All right, so I'm happy with that. So the only thing left to do is tighten everything up and see what it sounds like. All right, so that's gonna be the end of this video. I hope you liked it. Hope it maybe teaches somebody something. Again, please like, subscribe, share, click the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one.